everyone, my name is Mohit Tawar
And my name is Laksha Sharma.
and today we are presenting our project which is Professor Assistant at Design Ecole College collaboration with Sentry. Today's AI tools are powerful, but there's one big problem. Students open ChatGPT to study, but within minutes they drift into talking with movies, cricket or memes. This distraction kills momentum. And worst of all, none of these tools understand your actual course material.
So basically it means that it gives the answers related to studies only.
This is AI does not elegant in small talk. No greeting, no chit chat, no off talk reply. It's answer only for your uploaded PDF notes and textbooks. We created a system. The AI responds strictly from your student file.
After uploading a PDF, now it gives answer according to PDF.
It's reject unrelated query instantly. The agent focus the student to stay academically aligned.
Professor Assistant is more than a chatbot. We build complete study tools including local RSG system for context-secure learning, concept maps auto-generated with Mermaid.js, flashcards and quizzes for active recall, Pomodoro focus, timer to increase productivity, dark mode reading pane for long study sessions. Every feature is designed to keep students locked into deep study mode.
So this is the schedule block where we can add schedules. After adding, we can also delete our schedules from here.
How it works? The student upload a PDF text or CSV. We extract the text client side using pdf.js. A strict system prompt processes the context. The Gemini 1.5 Flash API handles in interface.
Engineering challenges. We face several engineering challenges, prompt injection, user trying to break the strict mode. We solve this with the multi-layered system prompt that forces discipline, client-side parsing, large PDF, slow browser. We optimize PDF.js for faster local processing, no server uploads. Visualizing data, turning raw text into diagram is tough. We implemented a pipeline to convert context into a structured Mermaid syntax.
So this is architecture, like user have to upload the files in PDF in any format, and then we have to give the system to prompt, and we use the Gemini API key here. So the answer is directly fetching from Gemini, and after that it gives the response. The front end we use to make this project is HTML5, Tailwind CSS, vanilla JavaScript, Google Gemini. For the backend and libraries we use Google Gemini 1.5 Flash, Mermaid.js and Mark.js. So from here we are now uploading the documents. After uploading the documents, we can summarize them, as well as we can generate their flashcards and AI concept maps, and we add a focus timer. So these are the flashcards and these are the answer. When we click on it, it gives the answer. So now it generates the concept map of the given data in the PDF. This is very helpful for the students for the study. It is in tree form. And now this is the history part where all the histories are saved, and we can also clear it from here. And there is a new chat button also. So these are the file parts. We can clear all the files from here, one option. Click all the files. When you click on it, all the files have been deleted permanently from this chat box.
We built Professor Assistant to solve real problem distraction.
And we design it to enforce something every student struggles with: discipline. This is Professor Assistant strict academic mode, that AI that refuses to chit chat.
So you
can
can finally start studying.
Thank you.